Comment of the day. Thumbs up if you're watching this in 213. The following 2 comments refer to the new Doctor of Doctor Who, which is Peter Capaldi. He was previously in a show called The Thick of It. His character's name is Malcolm Tucker, and his character swears a lot. So here are the comments kind of referring to both the 12th Doctor and Malcolm. Yup, see ya, the without the music sounding like cats puking on a vacuum cleaner. Yup, see ya, juggling the hell. Sorry, that was a bad impression. Let me do that for the next comment. Can't wait to see how he interacts with the Daleks or the Master.
You have no idea what I'm planning.
Here we are. The Lord of Time is here to disgrace us with presence. Why don't you just off before he puts so much down your throat to the point we have to talk with the computer voice maker like the Daleks? You know what? Maybe the whole point of your fear existence is to replicate yourself like they do, with a big horse. I did a little better, but that was actually hard to do all in one breath. I apologize. My celebrity impressions aren't really that good. Time for the video anyways.
Swordtee and 40.
Where is that game?
What game?
That Need for Speed game we got last week.
Which one?
You know, the one for PS2.
You're not being specific.
I think it was called Need for Speed Underground.
Oh, that one. You sure we still have the game?
I think.
That's weird. I thought we rented it.
I don't know. We weren't the ones who purchased it. Guma did.
So he should know if he rented it or actually bought the game.
I think Guma's still doing his lazy winter sleep.
Let's not wake him up.
He'll be in his thunderous anger again. Like how we tried to wake him up in December.
Even though it's March, I doubt that Guma's still sleeping or he's awake.
I guess we'll have to figure out if we still have that Need for Speed game without smart old Guma knowing where it is.
Yep, he's still asleep. Don't wake up the bear again.
No, don't touch that! It's dangerous! Are you talking to me, punk?
Oh crap! Not again! Guma is sure a heavy sleeper. At least I didn't say that out loud.
Where is it?
Swordtee, I found it!
You found what? Need for Speed Underground?
Hell yeah!
Quick, let's put it in. I've been waiting for this moment. I've been waiting for months! The suspense is killing me!
Here it is.
I've been waiting for this.
What just happened?
How did it not work?
Maybe it's the PS2.
The PS2 still works perfectly!
Fine, let's try it again.
Let's hope it works this time. Come on! Come on already! You dirty piece of sh**!
Calm down already! Hold on. Let me check the disc. Whoa! Look at all the dust that's on the disc.
That stupid crap just almost messed up the stupid console.
Okay, let's start it again. It says, please insert a PlayStation or PlayStation 2 format disc.
We did. We'll probably need to wait.
1 hour later.
How long is this gonna take?
I don't know.
I'm tired of waiting.
Leave your stupid complaints to your stupid self.
Swordtee!
Can you please stop freaking saying the S word? It's getting freaking annoying. Stop saying freaking. And besides, stupid is not the S word. The S word is
I need a pillow.
Take this one. Don't move.
2 hours later.
Stupid, stupid, stupid.
Stupid, stupid, stupid!
Can I get some potato chips?
Fine. Hurry up.
Hey, I'm back. Oh, it's not on yet. Come on, Swordtee. It's ketchup chips, all the way from Canada.
Okay. Thanks.
You're a good friend.
3 hours later.
How long has this been? Why is it not even reading the disc?
This is I'm turning off the PS2.
Still gonna eat your chips?
No.
Why not? Step out of that mood, Swordtee. Are you in another world or something? Answer me, you lazy f***ing good-for-nothing sucking beak!
Don't tell me what to do, you creepy looking up, irritating, overbearing wolf hole!
Hey! What's all the loud commotion about?
The PS2 game won't start!
Which game?
Need for Speed Underground!
That game.
Yeah.
What's so funny?
Well, I got 2 games. One of them was a game for you guys to play.
Yeah?
The game I rented was the PS2 version. The one I bought was the PC version.
So what made the PS2 game not start?
That PS2 game was the PC version.
Stupid, stupid, stupid!
Stupid, stupid, stupid! Haha, thanks!
So the game we attempted to play was the PC version?
Yeah.
My stomach hurts thanks to all the suspense.
My head hurts thanks to all the swearing.
No need to feel bad about yourselves. The PC version's available.
You know, I think I want to play a different PS2 game.
Huh? Okay. Alright then. Should I keep the disc safe?
Yeah, just in case.
Alright. I gotta go back to sleep. I'll be upstairs if you need me.
Okay. Let's play a different game.
Okay.
Let's hope it starts this time, because I'm sure it's the PS2.
The PS2 still works.
It worked!
Told ya!
I've been waiting for this.